Okay, so for this next example, we can't go straight into butterfly method because this quadratic does not equal 0. It equals -20. We need it to equal 0 before we can go straight into butterfly method. So the way we do that is we have to use inverse operations to move the 20 onto the other side. So we're going to do the opposite of negative, so we're going to add 20 to both sides. Now, 20 is not like terms to x squared or 9x, so I'm just going to rewrite this as x squared plus 9x plus 20 equals 0. Now that I've got that, I can set up my butterfly. So I have my A equals 1, my B equals 9, and my C equals 20. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in my butterfly. So I'll have 1x, 9 on the bottom, and 1 times 20 on the top. And 1 times 20 is going to go ahead and give me positive 20. My C term is positive, and since my C term is positive, I'm going to have same signs as what my B term was. My B term is also positive, so we're going to look for both two positives. And same, we're also going to look for a sum. So I like to think same sum, it's the same thing. All right, so let's list factors of 20 that will add up to be 9. So 20, 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 3 doesn't work. How about 4 and 5? And those are all the factors of 20. So which one of those adds up to be 9? Should say 4 and 5. So we'll put 4 here and 5 here. So then my factors, I have x plus 4. And then my other factor is x plus 5. And we still have it equal to 0. Now we're going to apply the zero product property. So I end up with x plus 4 equals 0. And x plus 5 equals 0. We'll subtract 4 over here. We get x equals -4. And we'll subtract 5 over here. And we get x equals -5. So the parabola has solutions, or zeros, at -4 and -5. Now it is your turn to try it.